Let's make a peppermint fizz. Measure out 375 mils of your gin.
Hey, Mrs. Claus.
Hey, Santa.
Why was the snowman digging through the carrots?
Why?
He was picking his nose.
Empty your package of herbs into your gin.
Hey, Sugar Plum.
Hey, Santa.
Why do I have 3 gardens?
Why?
So I can ho, ho, ho.
And you can add your mixed concoction into an empty bottle or jar and let it sit for 5 to 6 hours.
Hey, Sparkle Toes.
Yes, Santa.
What do you call a laptop hanging in a Christmas tree?
I don't know. What do you call it?
A pineapple.
After 5 to 6 hours, strain your mixture. Look up the QR code on the back of the package and that will give you an awesome drink recipe.
Hey, Gingerbread.
Hey, Santa.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Noah.
Noah who?
Know any good Christmas jokes?
Mix all your ingredients, pour over ice, and give it a shake. Pour into 2 glasses, top with soda, and hand it to your honey. Hey, Santa,
Yes, Mrs. Claus?
I have
Oh,
something for you.
Thank you. What would you like for Christmas?
Oh, nothing would make me happier than a diamond ring, Santa.
Then I'll get you nothing. Cheers.
Wait, wait, wait. You can't forget the garnish. Hang on. Cheers.
Cheers.